Ready to take your Galileo GDS skills to the next level? Dive into our Galileo GDS challenge. Let's start. To retrieve booking file by record locator, what command would you use? How do you quote Best Buy for a flexible fare, fully refundable? To display a ticket by ticket number, which command would you use? To void an EMD on the same day it was issued, if airline allowed, what command is used? How do you issue an e-ticket and associated documents for 5 Fare 2? How do you perform a fare quote passenger 1 as adult and passenger 2 as child fare? How do you create an infant name and contains mandatory date of birth? What command is used to quote passenger 2 with plating carrier is American Airlines? How can you assign a specific seat, for example, 16A for the first segment? To check the exchange rate between two currencies, what command you would use? How do you sell to seats in Q class through the Flight Availability display on line 3? How do you fare quote for no stopover at segments 2 and 4 is a connection? How do you quote Best Buy? What command is used to access the queue count all? What command is used to quote passengers 1 through 3 and 5? What command is used to void a specific e-ticket? How do you initiate fare shopping without creating a booking file? How do you assign a specific seat 16A for the second segment? What command is used to request a fare display from Karachi to Jeddah for 14th January on Saudia? How do you fare quote for segments 1 and 4 to 6 for passengers 1 and 3 to 5? How do you manually send active booking file to queue, for example Q40? What command is used to display a specific electronic miscellaneous document EMD? How do you add passenger 1 mobile number CTCM format for all airlines in the booking file? How do you enter the passenger's name? What command is used to fare quote with private fare account code? To revalidate a specific e-ticket and include the new validity dates, which command would you use? How do you display interline ticketing agreement for Qatar Airways? What command is used to add other service information (OSI) for a passenger local contact? What command to retrieve the booking for passenger Khan created in branch pseudo city HK9? Which command is used to decode a 3-letter airline code? How do you obtain a historical fare code display for travel and ticketing date? How do you enter LH mileage card number for booking file with a single passenger? How do you view seat availability map for segment 2 in booking file? To display fare notes, which command would you use? What command displays the availability for a specific airline? To perform a direct sell of an airline segment, which command would you use? What command is used to display public and private fares, including fares with account code? How do you create an exchange for file fare 1, considering passenger 1? How do you revalidate a specific e-ticket for segment 1 and coupon 1? What command is used to sign onto the system? How do you add national ID FOID for airline PIA, passenger 3 in the booking file? How do you initiate a full refund for an e-ticket with a cancellation fee €100? How do you display the ticket issue notification system report TINS for a specific date? What function identifier is used to issue tickets for all passengers and segments? How do you assign non-smoking window seats to all passengers in all segments? To view the entire PNR history of a booking file, what command would you use? How to quote applicable adult fare for all passengers, all segments, in the class booked? What command initiates the refund mask? What is the command to request a vegetarian meal VGML for passenger 1 on all air segments? What command is used to display TINS report for refunded tickets only? Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you to test your Galileo GDS skills and knowledge. Please stay tuned for informative video tutorials.